three and an air ball.
Here's where Clay is open if they'd gone right, but no layup.
Phil Jackson wrote in his book, missed corner threes become layups or dunks. We found him. We're not letting him go. The lob to KD. Draymond did that so well. He threw it under the rim. Steph again. Now Steph has 11 points in the last minute and a half. Another three!
Well, Scott Brooks called the timeout as far as skills of a guard in the league.
So Tom dropped him in on the Warriors here as Clay banks it home. Where does Cousins?
Well, they're going to pay the price for the
Jordan Bell.
It's going to be a circus. And I think, honestly,
Jordan Bell finishing off the Durant push.
he has. Absolutely. As a rim runner, the Rudy Gobert rim runner.
I'll tell you, if Washington stays small, Jim, need a little help in the interior. Washington's been attacking the rim. Clay showed the ball and stopped on a dime and laid it in. On this one, Washington is game. And Durant, what a dunk! Which led the league last year for the Warriors with only 15th. The 131 should aid in that. Jerebko and a nice feed from Quinn Cook. Beautiful steal by Quinn.